What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ebony Sheree, and I am coming to you live from the dining room. Just thought I'd pop on over on YouTube here for another unboxing from the good old Ivy box. So, Ivy Storehouse. So, we're going to jump on into it as we do and see what's popping. Oh, pretty important. So what do we got this time? All right. It says we got AKA rose gold letter tray, rose gold stapler, rose gold pen holder, rose gold tape dispenser, leatherette mouse pad, and pretty important pencil set. Now this is right on time. Oh, God is good. God is so good. Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. This is amazing. Let me open this up. I'm gonna get right back. I'm gonna tell y'all why this is right on time. Where's the light? Catch the light. Where is she at? Okay, I'm gonna look up. Because your girl doing the damn thing at work. God has blessed me to be moving up in my field at my job. I'm changing offices on Friday. God is so good. I've been praying for promotion. I've been praying to be able to be used in a more fulfilling capacity at my new job that I've just been at since February. So it's what, been 6 months? It's been 6 months. Look, March, April, May, June. Okay. Look, you know I got to count because I don't be knowing the calendar like that. But anyway, God is good and he's always on time. So, given the fact I am in the administrative field, all of this is gonna be on my brand new desk, y'all. I'm gonna be pimping it. I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever been excited to see stationery and like office supplies than right now. This rose gold theme is everything. I got a mouse pad, a stapler, a tape holder, tape dispenser, some pencil and pens holder, and some pencils, and a folder tray. What? Tell me how God is good to you today. Leave a message in the comments. Tell me a blessing. I'm out.